Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on US Highway 61 in Des Moines County, Iowa, beginning somewhere around mile 47. We're on one of the last remaining sections of two-lane highway on US-61 in Iowa, and as you can see to the right, the upgraded 4-lane highway was under construction in July of 2021 when we filmed this video. As of the publication of this video, the 4-lane highway is open. We enter the city of Burlington, which had a population of 23,982 as of the 2020 census. Burlington is the county seat of Des Moines County and is the center of a micropolitan area which includes Burlington, West Burlington, and Middletown, Iowa, as well as Gulfport, Illinois, just on the east side of the Mississippi River from Burlington. John Jacob Astor's American Fur Company established a trading post here in 1829. Originally called Flint Hill, the town was renamed in 1834 for Burlington, Vermont, the hometown of an early settler. Burlington was named the territorial capital of the Wisconsin Territory in 1837, and when the Iowa Territory was organized the following year, Burlington became the territorial capital of Iowa, with business being conducted out of the Old Zion Methodist Church. Burlington was a bustling river port in the steamboat era and a central city to the Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy Railroad. Today, this is the Burlington denoted by the B in the BNSF Railway. Locally, US-61 is named Roosevelt Avenue. Now, most people know about Lombard Street in San Francisco, which Guinness honored with the world record as the most crooked road with its 8 hairpin switchbacks and 27% grade. But a similar street here in Burlington is Snake Alley, which winds its way down Heritage Hill, consisting of 5 half curves and 2 quarter curves and a 21% grade. The road is composed of limestone and blue clay bricks and was built in 1894. As we leave Burlington, US-61 remains a 4-lane divided expressway as it will through the rest of the state. We conclude today's video at mile marker 37. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.